By working on your core strength, you'll improve your posture and also help protect the spine. And a great way to do this is with crunches. But rather than just staying in the same position for 121 seconds, try cycling through these different leg positions. Start out conventional, then go to the 90-degree position, and then raise your feet right up in the air. And just maybe do 10 crunches at each position, and then just cycle back and forth until you hit 121 seconds. And guaranteed, after that time, you'll really start to feel the burn. You'll be exercising right up and down the abs, not just focusing on one relatively static position.